I'll be showing you the top lifetime value apps for your Shopify store, and for each of these apps, we'll be taking a look at their features, pricing, and reviews so you can decide what's the best fit for your store. Next up is an app called RetentionX. This lets you maximize profit per customer, increase lifetime value, and retention with automations. So it's going to start by giving you powerful insights using AI to recognize behavior patterns and anticipate what you should do next. For example, this is a report given to a fashion brand where it states that other fashion brands have a repurchase rate of 52%, where this specific store is below that. And if you can reach the industry benchmark, it's going to generate you X amount in additional revenue. It's going to allow you to have smart sorting of collections so you can track the performance of your products and automate your merchandising to get more sales from the same traffic. It's going to help with LTV by triggering repeat purchases, by letting you segment customers based on their individual customer journey, and identifying the ideal time to reactivate and incentivize repeat purchases. You can also increase your average order values, which is going to help increase your LTV by creating product bundles and identifying cross-sell opportunities. This lets you motivate your customers to add more items to their cart following their free shipping threshold recommendation. In terms of pricing, it's free to install for up to 250 active customers. You can upgrade as you go with 1 cent per active customer. And from there, you're going to get the customer lifetime value calculation. From there, you can get optional add-ons starting at $49 a month. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at a perfect 5 stars with 93 5-star reviews. And if we take a look at the latest review here, this merchant said RetentionX is one of the best tools they've had available. It has helped them to understand different segments and behaviors, and the team is very insightful and true experts on what platform or the platform has to offer. Lebega is an AI marketing and LTV app that allows you to make smarter marketing decisions, as it's going to allow you to analyze marketing ROI with Google and Facebook ads audits to give you lifetime value analytics. It also lets you evaluate your ad setup so you can identify critical setup mistakes and receive actionable insights on how to fix them. You can also analyze your competitors and keep a close eye to uncover new opportunities to enhance your advertising spend. You can also get market benchmarks and then evaluate your ads against 1,500 other different Ecom businesses. It also lets you forecast your advertising price so you can get actionable insights. You can also analyze customer lifetime value and cohort by product, state, and count. In terms of pricing, there is a completely free plan. You get the full order history and first versus repeat orders. But to get that lifetime value calculation, you're going to start at $19 a month, going up to $79, and it's going to depend on the number of orders per month. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.8 stars with 119 5-star reviews. And merchants highly value this app for its advanced analytics that improve business management as well as profitability. And its LTV analysis works well, and the app is going to integrate smoothly with major ad platforms. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much profit your store is actually making. And that's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. Once set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time profit calculations along with tons of different analytics, metrics, and charts so you can truly understand your store's performance. It also includes a lifetime value calculation so you can get that extremely quickly. And having all this information at your fingertips is going to make it super easy for you to make smarter business decisions, as you'll have a true understanding of your store's performance rather than try to guess everything and hoping for the best. There's a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself. I'll leave a link in the description below for Profit Calc. And if you search Profit Calc on the Shopify App Store, you can see the logo right here. Lastly, we have an app called Kuma. This lets you boost ROAS, LTV, and retention by targeting predictive audiences and their lookalikes in your ads. It makes it easy to integrate your different platforms such as Google, Meta, HubSpot, and Klaviyo, and you're going to get predictive lifetime value audiences so you can target the customers that matter most. It's also going to give you a customer product journey so you can understand customer behavior to drive retention, such as through this product journey roadmap where you can see the first order leads into what second order and then possibly a third order. They also have an AI chatbot where you can ask Kuma for marketing strategies based on your actual Shopify data. And this lets you build top performing audiences with AI-driven insights, giving you a deeper customer understanding. In terms of reviews, there's a free plan that gives you predictive audiences and product recommendations, and then paid plans start at $99 a month. In terms of reviews, sitting at a perfect 5 stars right now, with the latest review saying Kuma is a great app that allows them to improve their audiences and then export them to Meta and Klaviyo. So this concludes the video here on the top lifetime value apps for your Shopify store. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.